Hi, today I'm going to show you how to use Afterpay Money on Cash App. So, first, open Cash App on your device. Then, to pay for your new purchase, simply shop at an online store that supports Cash App Afterpay. At checkout, select Cash App Afterpay as your payment option. Now, complete the purchase and payments will be split into scheduled installments managed directly through Cash App. Now, to pay over time for recent Cash App card purchases, tap the Activity tab in the Cash App. Now, find the recent transaction labeled as Pay Over Time available. Then, Cash App cards purchases at eligible merchants made within the last 7 days, usually over $25. Tap the transaction and select the option to pay over time with Afterpay. Then you can manage payments and view schedules. So installment details, payment schedules and remaining balances are clearly displayed in the Cash App. You can pay off your balance early or manage your pay over time plan within the app. Note that you cannot directly transfer Afterpay credit or funds to your Cash App balance. Afterpay or Cash App Afterpay is intended for product purchases at eligible merchants, not for cash withdrawal or peer-to-peer transfer. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.